Hello students, myself Amrita Srivastava and I am faculty of US Academy and Institute, Gorakhpur. Today we will discuss about class 5 computer. This is your second chapter and the name of the chapter is computer software. First of all, let's see what we will learn in this chapter. In this lesson we will learn about software, different type of software, that is system software and application software. Examples of system software, that is operating system, language, processor and utilities. And examples of application software, general purpose software and tailor-made software. So let's start our second chapter. First of all, let's see what is software and what is hardware. What is software and what is hardware? A computer system consists of hardware and software, both of which are important for the functioning of the computer. So students, software and hardware both are important for functioning of the computer. Computer hardware consists of physical components that make up the computer system. We can see, touch and feel the hardware that includes the keyboard, mouse and monitor, etc. Hardware is what we can see, touch and feel, and that part which we can touch, feel and see, that is called hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. And now we will discuss about what is a software. Software is a computer program which is written to carry out a particular task on the computer. In short, we can say that software is a set of programs and related data that are used to give instruction to the hardware, in other words. Software guides the operations, that is input, process and output of a computer system. We cannot touch software as we can do with hardware. The games we play on computer, the music and video files that we listen to and see on a computer, the documents on which we work, and most importantly, the operating system environment in which we work on computer system make up the software components. That means software is a computer program which is written to carry out a particular task on the computer. So that was about software and hardware. Hardware is of no use if there is no software to operate it. Hardware can be composed to a television, while the software is similar to a program that we view on the television. For example, it's given here that television you have seen. So television is a example of hardware, and that programs we see on the television are called software. Let's see about types of software. There are main two types of computer software, that is system software and application software. What is system software? System software controls the operation of a computer, helps in the running of other software and hardware, and examples are operating system and language processor. So let's see what is system software. The system software is required to control the overall operations of a computer system. It can be classified into three categories, that is operating system, language system and utility programs. What is operating system? An operating system, that is in short we call it OS, is the most important software without which you cannot work on a computer system. It is a software that lets you communicate with the computer. We are able to give instruction and get our work done on the computer because of the operating system. A computer cannot run without an OS. It serves as an interface between the user and the hardware. And what is language processor? Language processor is software are created by writing programs in the computer languages. There are many computer languages such as C, C++, Python and Java. A computer is an electronic machine and can only understand the machine language, which comprises of zeros and ones. A language processor is a software that translates or converts a program written in a computer language into the machine language so that it can be understood by a computer. And examples are compiler, interpreter, and assembler. And let's see what is utility program. It helps our computer to perform better. Examples WinZip and compress and decompress file, antivirus which help in protecting our computer from damage, backup utility which help in taking backup time in to time and save data. That means utility software is an application or program designed to perform maintenance or housekeeping work on a computer system in order to ensure its smooth functioning. These type of software are used for disk cleaning and antivirus software. Now we will discuss about what is application software. Software written to do a particular task on the computer is called an application software. An application program or software enables to a user to perform a specific function. It is installed in the computer additionally based on the exact requirement. And such examples of application software are school management software, result processing software, movie ticket booking software, and word processing software. That means an application software is a set of programs designed to help user perform a specific task. They may be installed on a computer depending upon the user requirements. We can use it for two purposes, that is general purpose and specific purpose. What is general purpose? General purpose application software are developed keeping in mind the general needs and requirements of a large number of people. Some examples of such software are word processing software and there are several good reasons for using general purpose software. First of all, it is relatively cheap. And second is it is readily available and can be installed quickly and easily. It is usually thoroughly tested, so there will be very little chance of it having any error, and it will well supported with several book, online help and discussion on the internet about how to use it. Some examples are given here. You can see here database package, name of software. An example is MS Access, Lotus Approach, Paradox, Oracle, VisualBox Pro, and software used to stores and retrieves information. Next is word processing package. Examples are MS Word and Word Perfect, and example software used to create text-based document and such as letters, reports and memos. Next is tailor-made software. Sometimes an organization finds that certain general purpose software readily available in the market are unable to do exactly what they want it to do. In such a case, they decide to have tailor-made software especially developed for them. To understand it better, we can take example of a school may decide to get result processing software developed especially for them by a programmer. Such software is called tailor-made or customized software. Tailor-made software is a software that is made as per the requirement of the customer. You can use it for your general requirement, especially for your requirement. The main drawbacks of the tailor-made software are high cost, involve the long time that development of such program may take. This kind of programs takes too much time. So let's discuss some important points of the chapter. Software is a set of program which is designed to perform a well-defined task. Next is a program is a sequence of instruction written to solve a particular problem. And what is system software? System software includes the operating system, language processor and utility program which enable a computer system to operate. And what is application software? It is designed to perform a particular task. It is of two types, general purpose and tailor-made. What is tailor-made? Tailor-made is specific, designed for a specific customer for their use. So students, we will discuss our next chapter in our next video, and you will get assignment of this chapter in your assignment section. So take your assignment and do it in your copy. Till then, take care.